Our precision castings lay the foundation for excellence in every TTMC product. With 4 advanced production lines: static pressure molding, coated sand shell, resin sand, and micro-vibration molding, TTMC ensures accuracy, consistency, and durability in every component. 50,000 tons annual casting capacity, 2 sets of electric furnaces, capable of casting up to 30 tons in iron or ductile iron, in-house mold workshop, and 30+ testing devices. From pumps and valves to machine tool parts, our precision castings lay the foundation for excellence in every TTMC product. As the advanced technical casting manufacturer, we can mass-produce gray cast iron, ductile iron, pump casting, and valves, and can produce a single weight of 20 tons of resin sand loss foam machine parts and 2.5 tons of ductile iron pumps. Welcome to visit us, and we look forward to growing together with you in the future